We got another one. Early gang. Of course, this is not my size. Why would I don't want these, but having them in hand definitely got my antennas up. So if you don't know, if you've been living under a rock, these are the Jordan 4 gold and white. Very creative, Nike. Of course, the box is actually gold and white, but what I realized in hand, though this is a beautiful shoe in hand, perfectly made, everything is, they couldn't have done any better with this. But though this shoe is flawless, this is not white. This is more of a sail color. The hits on here are immaculate. I don't think that they could have did any better with this. But I'm starting to notice that on the women's exclusive releases that they change something. Usually they change something that's not on the other 4s or whatever release it is. And this one, they did the Jumpman, as you can see. The Jumpman, usually the Jumpman got the flight tag. But these have the embroidered Jumpman with the air under it. Or with the flight under it, excuse me, with the flight under it. And that's pretty much the only thing they changed on here. Oh, the wings. I'm not sure if it's just the smaller sizes that have the leather wings. These have the leather wings. They don't have the plastic wings. The tip of the wings, they're gold, plasticky, metallic. These are perfect, bro. I do feel like the ship has sailed for sail color. I think Nike, Jordan brand, I guess, you ran your course, bro, with the sail colorway. These are hard. I'd rather them be white. That's just my opinion. Maybe this will help them not look so dirty when they do start getting hit with some dirt. But I feel like y'all ran the sail into the ground, bro. We don't need that color on no other shoe anymore, bro. Let it go. Put it in the vault for a couple of years. I took the outsole is just there's nothing special on the outsole. You got a gold Jumpman to go with the gold hits on the upper with the gold whatever these are. And of course they got the polyurethane midsole, which if you don't wear them, they will crumble. I do like the fact that they gloss though. It's a gloss to them. You see, it's a gloss to them on that midsole. So it's giving you different tones of sail, which is cool with me. I can do that. The materials that they use, they are pretty good. They're not premium, of course, but they do offer good quality. The inside, soft to the touch for sure. The leather, you got the squishy leather. You can't be mad at the squishy leather. The netting, flawless. Everything is pretty good. Even I can't get away from this gold lace crowns. They perfect, bro. This just made me consider getting these. I might have to go get these now. And then you got the muted out back tab, bro. It's like some Casper shit going on. Perfect. And on foot, I know a lot of y'all haven't seen these on foot. I've seen these on foot. Go look at the pictures, bro. You're going to want them. I'm telling you, on feet, these are gonna be crazy. This is gonna be a shoe. Easy. Summer, these are going to smack. These are going to be perfect. I'm telling you. Hey, I have nothing more to say about these. They are women's exclusive. They do have bigger sizes. Go true to size. Sadly, they're not made like the SBs and the reimagined 4s. But tell you, I think these are gonna be the ones. I'm finna get on GOAT and order me a pair personally because I didn't realize the quality of this shoe. So you might be able to even find them in stores still. They might not have sold out. Oh, I'm sorry. They haven't even released yet. So make sure you go into the raffles for these. I'm telling y'all. This you don't want to miss these. And 4s are on fire. So even if you're a reseller or whatever, you get these, hang on to them for a few months, you'll get double your money. And that's a promise. I'm out until the next review or restoration or whatever. I might just pop out with a vlog or something, bro. Just till next time, I appreciate y'all for watching the channel. I'm still trying to figure this YouTube stuff out, but I promise you, I'm gonna put my all into it and y'all gonna get some more videos. And we're gonna get some more early gems. I'm a week early with these. I'm a week. A whole week. I know sneaker YouTube they be getting them months in advance, but I don't have no plugs. I'm doing this groundwork. But till next time, peace.